delta to star network. Suppose we have a delta network and we want to convert it into its equivalent star network. So to find the value of R1, we will use the formula R1 is equal to RAC multiplied by RAB and divided by R, where R is equal to RAB plus RBC plus RAC, summation of all the resistances. Now to find R2, we will multiply RAB and RBC and divide it by RAB plus RBC plus RAC. Similarly, to find R3, we will multiply RAC and RBC and divide it by all the resistances, that is RAB plus RBC plus RAC. So this is how we can convert delta to star network. Now suppose we have to convert a star network to its equivalent delta network. So here we can see this is a star network and we want to convert into its equivalent delta network. So to find RAB, we will use the formula RAB is equal to R divided by R3, where this R3 is the opposite of this RAB. So RAB is equal to R divided by R3, where this R is equal to R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1. R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1. Then we have to find, suppose RBC. So RBC is equal to R divided by opposite resistance, that is R1. Again, the value of R here is same, that is R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1. Now to find RAC, we will divide this by R2 and its numerator will be again R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1. So this is how we can convert a star network to its equivalent delta network.